Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove facial verification in Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Binance app. And here in the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will see this Binance icon. So tap on this icon. And here at the top, you need to tap on your user profile. Now over here, you will see the Security tab, so you need to tap on Security. And here in your security, you will see a bunch of different security options like passkeys, biometrics, authenticator app, email, and password. Now you must be wondering that in this list, there is no facial recognition or facial verification option. So that option is in the passkeys and biometrics. So you will have to simply tap on passkeys and biometrics. And once you tap on Add Passkey, you will see the passkey option. So you need to tap on passkey and it will redirect you to biometric authentication. Now in biometric comes your facial recognition as well as your biometric signatures. So you just have to simply find your facial verification and you need to simply turn it off by tapping on that toggle button right next to it. And this way, you will be able to remove your facial verification on Binance. So that's basically how you can remove facial verification in Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.